Good morning, dear students. Previous class we discussed types of hybridization, in that sp2 and sp3. Then today's discussion is another types of hybridization. Those are sp3d, sp3d2 and last one sp3d3 hybridization. The first one is in previous class we completed 3. Fourth one is sp3d hybridization. What is sp3d hybridization? sp3d hybridization means sp3d means intermixing of 1s, 3p orbitals and 1d atomic orbitals of an atom to form 5 new hybrid orbitals of equivalent energy and identical shape. That is nothing but sp3d hybridization. sp3d hybridization means 1s, 3p and 1d atomic orbitals of an atom intermixed to form 5 new hybrid orbitals of equivalent energy and identical shape. That is nothing but sp3d hybridization. The intermixing of 1s orbital, comma 3 p orbitals and 1 d orbital of an atom to form 5 new hybrid orbitals of equivalent energy and identical shape. This is nothing but sp3d hybridization, and these sp3d hybrid orbitals are directed towards 5 corners of trigonal bipyramidal. Trigonal bipyramidal means ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲೇನ್ದೊಳಗೆ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಕ್ವಿಲ್ಯಾಟ್ರಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಆ 3 ಕಾರ್ನರ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 3 sp3d ಹೈಬ್ರಿಡ್ ಆರ್ಬಿಟಲ್ಸ್ ಓರಿಯೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತವೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ trigonal plane the 2 sp3d hybrid orbitals are lie perpendicular to this plane. One is above and other one is below, and the trigonal plane containing 3 sp3d hybrid orbitals are forming an equatorial bond, and the rest of the 2 sp3d hybrid orbitals are lying perpendicular to the trigonal plane, and these two forming an axial bonds. First point is these hybrid orbitals are directed towards the 5 corners of trigonal bipyramidal, and in this the shape of the molecule is trigonal bipyramidal. Shape of the molecule is trigonal bipyramidal, and bond angles are 2. Bond angles are 120 degree and 90 degree. 120 degree is trigonal plane and 90 degree is perpendicular to this trigonal plane. Then each sp3d hybrid orbital has 20% s character, comma 60% p character, and 20% ಡಿ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್. ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿದರೆ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 100% ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಈಚ್ sp3d hybrid orbital has 20% s character, 60% p character and 20% d character. Because s ಒಂದು ಐತಿ, p 3 ಅದಾವ, d ಒಂದು ಐತಿ. ಇವೆರಡದ್ರದ್ದು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಐತಿ. ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಟ್ರಿಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್. ಇದ್ರದ್ದು 3% ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 3 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ p character is more. And these sp3d hybrid orbitals are formed by intermixing of 1s, 3p and 1d atomic orbitals. This is s orbital, this is p orbital, orbitals. There are 3 p orbitals and 1 d orbital. D orbital is double dumbbell in shape, p orbital is dumbbell in shape, s orbital is spherical in shape, and these combine to form these are the 5 sp3d hybrid orbitals. sp3d hybrid orbitals. 1s, 3p and 1d atomic orbitals combine to form 5 sp3d hybrid orbitals having equivalent energy and identical shape, and the any two sp3d hybrid orbitals of trigonal plane having bond angle 120 degree. ಇವ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇವು ಮೂರದ್ರೊಳಗೆ 120 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ದೀಸ್ ಟು ಆರ್ ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಟ್ರೈಗೋನಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟು ಲೋಬ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ 120 degree. And these two lobes are perpendicular to this plane. ಈ trigonal plane is perpendicular ಇರ್ತದೆ and bond angle is 90 degree. That is represented like this. This is trigonal plane and these are lying exactly perpendicular 90 degree. ಈ ಪ್ಲೇನಿಗೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ perpendicular. And the example for this is PCl5, phosphorus pentachloride molecule. Atomic number of phosphorus is 15 and it is a nitrogen family. Atomic number of phosphorus is 15 and the ground state electronic configuration of phosphorus contains only 3 unpaired electrons, but in PCl5 there are 5 covalent bonds are formed with phosphorus and chlorine, and in the excited state there are 5 unpaired electrons are formed, and the 5 unpaired electrons of s, p and d orbitals are intermixed to form sp3d hybrid orbitals. Ground state electronic configuration of phosphorus is 3s2 3p3, or in the box notation, orbital notation, three px, three py, three pz, this is 3s. In their ground state only 3 unpaired electrons are present, and in the excited state the paired 3s electron is unpaired and shifting to the vacant d orbital. 3d orbital ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, vacant ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 3s electron shift ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Excited state electronic configuration of phosphorus 3s1 3p3 3d1. This paired electron is unpaired and shifting to the vacant d orbital, and this is represented in the orbital electronic configuration. And in the excited state there are 5 unpaired electrons are available, and these 1s unpaired electron and 3p unpaired electron and 1d unpaired electron in their excited state are intermixed to form 5 equal energies and identical shapes of sp3d hybrid orbitals are formed. 5 sp3d hybrid orbitals are formed, and these each sp3d hybrid orbitals are directed towards 5 corners of trigonal bipyramid. Trigonal bipyramidal ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ದೊಳಗೆ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ all the 5 sp3d hybrid orbitals are acting. And these each sp3d hybrid orbital is direct overlapping with 5 chlorine atom containing 1 unpaired p orbital. ಒಂದು ಅನ್ಪೇರ್ಡ್ p orbital ಇರ್ತದೆ ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ದಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದು 5 ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಐಟಮ್ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಓವರ್ಲ್ಯಾಪಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ sp3d hybrid orbitals and forming 5 sigma bonds with phosphorus and chlorine. These are the 5 sp3 hybrid orbitals, sp3d hybrid orbitals. Orbitals of phosphorus atom. Each sp3d hybrid orbital of phosphorus is direct overlapping with unpaired p orbital of chlorine. ಎಷ್ಟು 5 ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅನ್ಪೇರ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ಬಿಟಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಜೊತೆ ಓವರ್ಲ್ಯಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. p orbital of Cl atom overlap to form 5 sigma bonds between phosphorus and chlorine. These are the sp3d hybrid orbitals, and there are 5 sigma bonds are formed between chlorine and phosphorus. Sigma, 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 sigma. And in this there are 2 types of bonds are formed. One type of bonds are equatorial bonds and other type of bonds are axial bonds. Equatorial bonds are in the same plane and axial bonds are perpendicular to the trigonal plane or equatorial plane. This is also represented like this: phosphorus, Cl, 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 C, and this is the trigonal plane. This is the trigonal plane, and all these Cl atoms in the trigonal plane are equatorial, forming equatorial bonds, and the bond angle in the equatorial bonds is 120 degree and this is 90 degree. And axial bonds equatorial bonds. Axial bonds are these two. These two chlorine atoms are perpendicular to the trigonal plane, these forming axial bonds, and remaining Cl atoms forming equatorial bonds. These are the equatorial. And some of the important points. First one is bond angles. Equatorial bond angle is 120. Degree. Axial bond angle 90 degree, perpendicular to the plane. Then shape is trigonal, bipyramidal. Then number of sigma bonds are 5. 5 sigma bonds are formed. In this example, PCl5 in their ground state, valence shell ground state electronic configuration of PCl5 contains only 3 unpaired electrons, and it requires 5 unpaired electrons to form phosphorus chlorine atom, and in their excited state the paired 3s electron is unpaired and shifting to the vacant d orbital, and it forms 5 unpaired atomic orbitals, and these 5 unpaired atomic orbitals are intermixed to form 5 sp3d hybrid orbitals, and these each sp3d hybrid orbital is direct overlapping with p atomic unpaired p atomic orbital of each chlorine to form 5 chlorine phosphorus sigma bond is formed, and the structure of this is like this. And there are two types of bond angles are present in this molecule. One is equatorial bond angle, another one is axial bond angle. Axial bond angle is perpendicular to the equatorial plane, and equatorial bond angles are 120 degree, and total number of sigma bonds are 5, and the shape of the molecule is trigonal bipyramidal. This is the sp3d hybridization. Next example, next type of hybridization, fifth one is sp3d2 hybridization. In sp3d2 hybridization, the intermixing of one s 3p atomic orbitals and 2d atomic orbitals to form 6 new hybrid orbitals of equivalent energy and identical shape. That is nothing but sp3d2 hybridization. Intermixing of one s orbital, 3 p orbitals and 2 d orbitals of an atom to form 6 new hybrid orbitals of equivalent energy and identical shape. This is nothing but sp3d2 hybridization. sp3d2 hybridization is nothing but the intermixing of 1s 3p and 2d atomic orbitals of an atom to form 6 new hybrid orbitals of equivalent energy and identical shape. And these hybrid orbitals are directed towards 6 corners of regular octahedron. Octahedron ಕಾರ್ನರ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ sp3d2 hybrid orbitals ಓರಿಯೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ. These hybrid orbitals are directed towards the 6 corners of regular octahedron. Octahedron ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ದಲ್ಲಿ, and shape is octahedral shape. Octahedral shape, and the bond angle between any two sp3d2 hybrid orbital is 90 degree. ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರದ್ದು ಬಾಂಡ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 90 degree ಇರ್ತದೆ. And these hybrid orbitals, each sp3d hybrid orbital has 17% s character, 50% p character and 33% d character ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ. Each sp3d2 hybrid orbital has 17% s character, comma 50% p character and 33% d character. ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿದ್ರೆ 100% ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಈಚ್ sp3d ಹೈಬ್ರಿಡ್ ಆರ್ಬಿಟಲ್ದೊಳಗೆ 17% s ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, 50% p ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್, 33% d ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್. And these sp3d2 hybrid orbitals are formed by intermixing of 1s, 3p and 2d atomic orbitals. This is s orbital, is spherical in shape, then p p orbital is dumbbell in shape, 3 p orbitals and 2 d orbitals. 2 d orbitals, 3 p orbitals and 1 s orbital are intermixed to form 6 sp3d2 hybrid orbitals. These are the sp3d2 hybrid orbitals. 6 sp3d2 hybrid orbitals. And sp3d2 hybrid orbitals are formed by intermixing of 1s, 3p and 2d orbitals to form 6 equivalent energy and identical shapes of sp3d2 hybrid orbitals, and these sp3d2 hybrid orbitals are directed towards 6 corners of regular octahedron, and each sp3d2 hybrid orbital has 17% s character, 50% p character and 33% d character, and the shape of the sp3d2 hybrid orbitals is octahedral and bond angle is 90 degree. And example for this hybridization is SF6 molecule, sulfur hexafluoride, and the atomic number of central sulfur is 16. It is the next member of phosphorus. Phosphorus is the next element yavatpa antandre sulfur, and it is an oxygen family, and the valence cell electronic configuration of sulfur is 3s2 3p4, and in their valence cell only 2 unpaired electrons are present. Ground state electronic configuration of sulfur is 3s2 3p4 or this is 3s, 3px, 3py, 3pz, in their ground state electronic configuration 3s2 3p4 configuration, and in their valence cell ground state electronic configuration of sulfur only 2 unpaired electrons are present, and we require total 6 unpaired electrons, and these 6 unpaired electrons are intermixed to form 6 new hybrid orbitals. And for hexavalency, the ground state of sulfur atom containing 2 paired electrons in 3s and 3px, and in the first excited state the 3px paired electrons are shifted to empty d orbital, and in the second excited state the 3s electron paired 3s electron is unpaired and shifting to the vacant d orbital. Excited state electronic configuration of sulfur is 3s1 3p3 then 3d2, or there are 6 unpaired electrons are present in the second excited state, and these 6 unpaired electrons of s, p and d atomic orbitals are intermixed to form 6 equivalent energies and identical shapes of sp3 d2 hybrid orbitals. Ivella intermix ಆಗಿ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ sp3 d2 hybrid orbitals formation ಆಗ್ತದೆ. 6 sp3 d2 hybrid orbitals. And these sp3d2 hybrid orbitals are directed towards the corners of each octahedron. Each octahedron corner ದೊಳಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ sp3d2 hybrid orbitals ಇರ್ತವೆ. Then each sp3d2 hybrid orbital is direct overlapping with unpaired p atomic orbital of fluorine. Fluorine ದೊಳಗೆ ಒಂದು unpaired electron ಇರ್ತದೆ, and unpaired electron present in 2p atomic orbital is direct overlapping with sp3d2 hybrid orbital, and it forms 6 sigma bonds between sulfur and phosphorus. These are the sp3d2 hybrid orbitals of sulfur atom, direct overlapping with 6 p atomic orbital of fluorine, p orbital of fluorine atom. These on direct overlapping to form 6 sigma bonds between sulfur and phosphorus. These are the sp3d2 hybrid orbitals, and the direct overlapping of unpaired p orbital with there are 6 sigma bonds between and there are 6 sp3d2 hybrid orbitals d2p, sp3d2p, 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 overlapping to form 6 sigma bonds, and this is also represented like this: central sulfur atom F, 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 F. And any two sulfur phosphorus bond angle is 90 degree. All these are perpendicular to each other, and shape is octahedral. The octahedral shape is represented like this. The shape is S, F, 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 F. F, F. All these are joint. ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. This is an octahedral geometry of SF6. ಅದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ತೋರಿಸಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆಕ್ಟಾಹೈಡ್ರಲ್ ಒಂದು ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬುಕ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಗತ್ಲೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಅದರ ಸೆಂಟ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಅಬೋವ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಬಿಲೋ ಫ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಈಚ್ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಈಸ್ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಥ್ರೂ ದ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಫಾಸ್ಫರಸ್. ಇದು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲೇನ, ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸೆಂಟ್ರದೊಳಗೆ ಇರುವಂಥ ಫಾಸ್ಫರಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಅಬೋವ್ ದ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ 4 planes and below the plane there are 4 planes. Total 8 planes ಬರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ octahedral geometry or octahedral shape ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. And some important points, bond angle is 90 degree, then shape is octahedral, then number of sigma bonds are 6. These are the 3 important points. sp3d2 hybridization, the central sulfur is sp3d2 hybridization and each sp3d2 hybrid orbital is direct overlapping with unpaired p atomic orbital of fluorine atom and it forms 6 sp3d2p overlapping to form 6 sigma bonds and the geometry of or shape of the SF6 is octahedral and the octahedral geometry is like this and this is the simple representation. Okay. Then one more hybridization sp3d3 ಅದೇನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ this is not in your syllabus, only ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ for the knowledge purpose I will discuss the sp3d3 hybridization. Last 6th one is sp3d3 hybridization. sp3d3 hybridization means ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ಗಿಲ್ಲ. ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 5 ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೈಬ್ರಿಡೈಜೇಷನ್ದೊಳಗೆ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಥಿಯರಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್. But in competitive examination, this type of hybridization is also asked. sp3d3 hybridization means the intermixing of 1s, 3p and 3d atomic orbitals of an atom to form 7 new hybrid orbitals of equivalent energy and identical shape. That is nothing but sp3d3 hybridization. Intermixing of 1s orbital, 3p orbitals and 3d orbitals of an atom to form seven new hybrid orbitals of equivalent energy and identical shape. That is nothing but sp3d3 hybridization. And in sp3d3 hybridization, each hybrid orbital is directed towards each corner or 7 corners of pentagonal bipyramidal. Pentagonal bipyramidal ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ದೊಳಗೆ sp3d3 hybrid orbitals ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಓರಿಯೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತವೆ. these orbitals are directed towards seven corners of pentagonal bipyramidal, and the shape of the sp3d3 hybrid orbitals is pentagonal bipyramidal. Shape is pentagonal bipyramidal, and bond angle is bond angles are 72 degree and 90 degree. 72 as well as 90 degree, there are two bond angles, and the 90 degree bond angle is perpendicular to the pentagonal plane, and in pentagonal plane the bond angle is 72 degree. There are two bond angles, equatorial bond angle and axial bond angle. This is the axial bond angle perpendicular to the equatorial plane, and this is the bond angle in the equatorial plane, or equatorial bond angle is 72 degree. And each sp3d3 hybrid orbitals has 14% s character, then 43% p character and 43% d character. Each sp3d3 hybrid orbital has 14% s character, comma 43% p character and 43% d character. P and D ಏನದಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸೇಮ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋದೊಳಗದು P and D, but S is 1 ratio, 1:3:3. That means 14% S character, 43% P character and 43% D character. And these hybrid orbitals are formed by intermixing of 1s, 3p and 3d atomic orbitals. This is the s orbital. 1s orbital is intermixed with 3p orbitals and 3d orbitals. To form these are the sp3d3 hybrid orbitals. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7. There are total 7 sp3d3 hybrid orbitals are formed by intermixing of 1s, 3p and 3d atomic orbitals. And example for this is IF7 molecule. Iodine heptafluoride. Atomic number of central iodine is 53, and this is an halogen family, and their valence shell ground state electronic configuration is 5s2 5p5, and in their valence shell only one unpaired electron is present. The ground state electronic configuration of iodine is in their ground state 5s2 5p5. This is also represented in this is 5s 5px 5py 5pz. In their ground state valence shell electronic configuration of iodine, only one unpaired electron is present, and there are 3 excited states are possible in this molecule or iodine atom. In the first excited state, the 5p paired electron 5py paired electron is unpaired and shifting to the vacant d orbital in the first excited state. In the second excited state, 5px paired electron is shifted unpaired and shifting to the another vacant d orbital, and in the third excited state the paired 3s electrons are unpaired and shifting to the third vacant d orbital, and these forming 7 unpaired electrons in their third excited state, and these 7 unpaired electrons are intermixed to form 7 new hybrid orbitals of sp3d3. Excited state 5s1 5p3 5d3 or in the excited state, the excitation of these paired electrons, it requires third excited state, it forms 7 unpaired electrons, and these 7 unpaired electrons are intermixed to form 7 new hybrid orbitals called sp3d3. These are 7 sp3d3 hybrid orbitals, and these 7 sp3 hybrid orbitals are directed towards the 7 corners of pentagonal bipyramidal, and each sp3d3 hybrid orbital is direct overlapping with unpaired p atomic orbital of fluorine. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ sp3d3 hybrid orbital of iodine is direct overlapping with unpaired p atomic orbital of fluorine, and it forms 7 sigma bonds between iodine and fluorine. These are the 7 sp3d3 hybrid orbitals of iodine atom is direct overlapping with 7 p atomic orbital of fluorine atom to form 7 sp3d3p hybridization or overlapping to form 7 sigma bonds between iodine and phosphorus. These are the 7 sp3d hybrid orbitals, and each sp3d hybrid orbital is overlapping with p orbital of fluorine, sigma, 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 and these are all the sp3d3 hybrid orbitals overlap with p, sp3d3 hybrid orbitals overlap with p, and this is also represented like this. The central iodine these are the 5 fluorine atoms are in the equatorial position, and 2 fluorine atoms are perpendicular to this plane, and the bond angle in the equatorial plane is 72 degree and here 90 degree. This is the pentagonal bipyramidal geometry. In the equatorial position, the central iodine is surrounded by 5 phosphorus atoms, and this is a pentagonal plane, and to this pentagonal plane 1 fluorine is above and 1 fluorine is below, and the centers of this fluorine above and below fluorine is joined with all the 5 pentagonal corners of fluorine, and it gets pentagonal bipyramidal geometry. And some important points: bond angles 72 degree and 90 degree. Then shape is pentagonal bipyramidal. Then number of sigma bonds 7. This is the bond equatorial bond angle is 72 and axial bond angle perpendicular to the equatorial plane is 90 degree. This is about sp3d3 hybridization, and these are the some different types of hybridization: sp, sp2, sp3, sp3d, sp3d2 and sp3d3. This is not important in your examination, only some competitive exam purpose I discussed the sp3d3 hybridization. The remaining first 5 types of hybridizations are very important in the examination point of view, and any one of the type of hybridization can be asked in your examination. Explain the hybridization of sp3d, sp3d2 or sp3 hybridization or sp2 hybridization or sp hybridization. This completes the hybridization concept, and next class we will discuss another very important concept, that is valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. Okay, thank you.